Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out trains and buses on the eDreams application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to your homepage and click on the search button down below in the left side corner. Then click on trains and buses in the middle of the screen. Then you should select your departure point, then your destination. You should select the date. Then select the passengers and click on the get times and tickets button down below. And here you can find the relevant results. So tap on one of them to check out the ticket options. Select whether it's standard or first class. And if you are done with selecting the relevant details, click on the continue button and finalize the payment and buy the tickets. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.